Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to mute notifications from new accounts in X. If you find yourself overwhelmed with notifications from new accounts and want to regain control of your X experience, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Look for the account icon, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, locate and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety. This option allows you to manage your privacy preferences and safety settings. Step 6. Within the Privacy and Safety menu, look for Account Information and tap on it. This section contains settings related to your account. Step 7. In the Account Information section, find and tap on Mute and Block. This option allows you to control notifications and block unwanted accounts. Step 8. From the Mute and Block menu, locate Muted Notifications and tap on it. Step 9. Finally, toggle the With a New Account option. By enabling this setting, you will mute notifications from new accounts on X. Congratulations! You have successfully muted notifications from new accounts on X, allowing you to focus on the content that matters most to you. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be free from unnecessary distractions.